Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever published an app in Power BI, you might be wondering how to unpublish or remove it, especially if you need to make updates, clean up your workspace, or simply no longer need to share that particular dataset. Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to unpublish or remove an app from Power BI. Plus, I'll show you how to remove visuals in Power BI Desktop if you need to tidy up your reports too. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep your Power BI workspace organized and clear of anything you no longer need. Let's jump right in. First up, we'll deal with removing an app you've published in Power BI. Start by heading over to the Microsoft Power BI web service. That's the workspace you use in your browser, not the desktop app. When you land on the Power BI dashboard, take a look at the left sidebar and click on Apps. That's where all the apps you've created, published, or have access to are listed. Now you'll see a list of your apps. Find the specific app you want to remove or unpublish. Sometimes your list will be long if you've been experimenting or sharing a lot, so take your time and make sure you're selecting the right one. Once you've located the app, hover over it and you'll notice three little dots on the right side. Those are called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those three dots. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Delete. Clicking Delete will prompt Power BI to begin the process of removing that app from your workspace or from your shared environment. Now, it's normal to feel a little nervous here. After all, deleting something can seem scary, but don't worry. Power BI will usually ask you to confirm before finalizing the delete, so you get a second chance if you accidentally click the wrong app. Confirm the deletion, and within a few moments your app will be unpublished or removed. This is a great way to keep your environment neat and ensure you're only sharing apps that are up to date and relevant. Alright, that handles the app itself. Next, let's talk about cleaning up visuals inside your Power BI desktop reports. Sometimes reports can get cluttered with visuals you don't need anymore, or maybe you added a chart just as a test and now you want it gone. Open your Power BI desktop. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Visualizations pane. If you want to remove a visual type entirely, maybe you downloaded a custom visual but decided it doesn't fit your report, look for the three dots at the top of the Visualizations pane. Click on those and you'll see the option to remove a visual. Once you click Remove a Visual, you'll get a list of all custom visuals available in your report. Pick the one you want to get rid of. This can be helpful if you tried out a new chart type, like a fancy gauge or a custom slicer, but realized your users prefer something simpler. Select the visual, click Remove, and just like that, it'll disappear from your palette. Plus, if you change your mind, you can always re-download that visual from the marketplace again, so nothing is permanent unless you want it to be. And there you have it. Removing apps and visuals in Power BI is a straightforward process, but taking the time to keep your workspace organized really pays off as your reporting projects grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. If you have any questions about Power BI or if you ran into any hiccups along the way, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And for more practical tutorials just like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.